4. Building wealth starts with building your skills. 1. Skills are earning power. Strong skills make you a valuable asset in the workplace. This could translate to higher earning potential through promotions, raises, or even freelancing opportunities. With more income, you have more to save and invest, which are crucial aspects of wealth building. 2. Skills are adaptable. The job market can be ever-changing. By continuously developing your skill set, you become adaptable and future-proof yourself. This means you're more likely to stay employed and have a steady income stream, which is essential for building wealth. 3. Skills save money. Certain skills can directly save you money. For example, being handy with repairs can save on handyman costs, or having budgeting skills can help you avoid unnecessary spending. These savings can then be redirected towards wealth-building activities. 4. Skills open doors. Having in-demand skills can open doors to new opportunities. This could be starting your own business, taking on higher-paying gigs, or negotiating better salaries. These opportunities can significantly accelerate your wealth accumulation journey.